Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I'll show you how to install the Daystar app to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find this short video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So to install the Daystar app, the first thing you need to do is to search over the App Store and launch on your Hisense Smart TV. This should be the same, just like this. Now, once you do that, come to over to the search box and type in the new application you're looking for, which in this case is Daystar. I can just go here and type in Daystar, which is Deay, and then star STAR. So AR, and here we go. Here's the application. Just go here and click search, and this brings us to the application. Click on it once, and it's going to bring you to the installation page, which you just have to click install once, and the application is going to be installed in less than a second. Now you choose where to place the application on your Hisense Smart TV, and you're good to go. So this is how to install the Daystar application. If you find it helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.